अभी तो this is just the beginning. It will go beyond. There are more technical kind of adjustments. See, what is the year ending for this question? Year ending क्या दिया हुआ मैंने?
31st December.
31st December.
And
सर उस पे ध्यान ही
एंड देखो मतलब 1st जनवरी से 31st दिसंबर तक आपका ईयर एंडिंग है. क्यों जा रहा है यार? So let us start with our Excel sheet. So 1st January 16 is the beginning of the year, and just one second. So this adjustment goes like this. This is my company's year ending from here to here. Okay. And this is the year ending of insurance policy from here to there. Understood, everyone? The question goes like this. It includes yearly premium. So it is not necessary that every company will take their insurance policy on the very first day or first January, or when they'll start their business for that particular accounting year. ऐसा जरूरी है क्या? ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है ना. उसका तो पॉलिसी कभी भी ड्यू होगा, कभी भी पे करेगा, कभी भी उन्होंने पॉलिसी क्लेम लिया रहेगा. Yes or no? Same thing is happening with my client also. My client's year ending is 31st December, but his insurance premium is year ending on 31st March. Are you getting? तो उसने पॉलिसी कब लिया रहेगा?
Yes, sir.
उसने पॉलिसी कब लिया रहेगा? 1 अप्रैल को. कब एंड होगा?
Yes, sir.
31st March
31st March.
2017 को. मीन्स क्या है कि there is a prepaid for this period. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For this 3 months there is a prepaid or paid in advance. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे आपको सीखना पड़ेगा these adjustments. चलो बाकी सब मेरे हिसाब से इजी है. Still if you are finding any difficulties, feel free to contact.
So, 1/4 of advertisements to be written off. This
Yeah.
is in
Yes,
question 25
very
on
nice
page
question, Kati. Again,
148. 148 page.
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. And इसको I can correlate with the discussion which we had yesterday. You know, I told you sometime it is known
Deferred
as,
revenue.
yes, deferred revenue. In that case, advertisement cannot be written in the P&L debit. This advertisement should be written where? In balance sheet asset side. Okay. This advertisement should be written on balance sheet asset side. So whether you are writing P&L debit or balance sheet asset, is it going to affect? Is it going to affect your balance sheet? No. Why? Because P&L debit is also debit effect, and balance sheet asset is also debit effect. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you need to write this. Now this time this advertisement is not revenue expenditure. This time this advertisement is deferred revenue expenditure. So I will write on the asset side and 1/4. Just like what we do the effect of depreciation. Same way we will give the effect of 1/4. And the 1,250 will be minus from this 5,000 and will be debited in profit and loss account. Clear है सबको?
So this will come under fixed assets or current assets? The remaining.
Neither fixed asset nor current asset. In fact, it will be in fictitious asset because it is not an asset. It is an expenditure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I have another doubt. We were there in page number 142. Am I right? अभी हमने 142 का एडजस्टमेंट करा ना, दिस वाज आवर एडजस्टमेंट, ठीक है. So another thing was asked by Khyati, so I have answered her question. What will be the effect of this? Write off half of Kalpana's dishonored bill. This is your page number 143. What will be the effect of this?
Less from bills receivable and add to further bad debts formula.
First and foremost, let me make you clear, Kalpana is not the owner. S. Chandra is the owner. Okay. So I got the answer from G. What you told?
Less from bills receivable and add to new bad debts in the bad debts formula.
Why? Why you are going to add to the bad debt?
Sir, because we will not be receiving it in the future and it's a loss to the company.
Where it is mentioned that it is not going to receive.
Sir, it's already dishonored.
हाँ ठीक है ना. तो डिसऑनर बिल मतलब होता है कि बिल रिसीव भी नहीं करने वाले अपन. Is it like that? What you have learned in FIJC?
Because it says write off at the start, that's why.
Write off means we had a due date, and in that due date this bill has not honored. That does not mean it is a bad debt. In fact, it will be added to debtors. So less from BR and add to debtors. So I told you earlier also, BR is secured debtors, whereas debtors is including unsecured debtors also. So secured, from secured it will shift to unsecured. Okay. Why secure? Because from those debtors we have taken up written kind of notification as per Negotiable Instrument Act that they are going to pay the amount on certain due date which has been mentioned on the face of the document. Yes or no, bills of exchange? Haan ya na?
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So the right effect of this adjustment will be less from BR and add to debtors.
So 500 only, right? Because half.
I don't know how much is the data, BR.
Sir, but it is included in the sundry debtors. It is written. Kalpana's bill.
So how much is Kalpana's bill we have? ऐसा कुछ दिया है क्या? है ना? Yes, only 500 rupees. Okay, only 500 rupees.
So sir, reduce 500 from bills receivable and add it to sundry debtors.
Of course. Next. I think this is simple, but let me ask. What will be the effect of this adjustment?
Reduce from manufacturing wages, add to the machinery cost.
So this is because of capital expenditure, the nature of capital expenditure. Okay. How you will going to give the effect for this? How you are going to give the effect for this? Interest on loan for last 2 months is not paid.
Add the loan and on asset side.
But how you are going to calculate the interest for last 2 months?
That 6% is given in the trial balance.
Where? Okay. So
6% on 20,000 for 2 months. So 6% into 20,000 into 2 upon 12.
okay. That is, यहाँ पे interest on loan is not given, no? Not given. कहीं दिख रहा है क्या? Then whatever Jeet has told is absolutely right. But suppose interest on loan दिया रहता. Suppose यहाँ पे एक item रहता है interest on loan of 10,000 rupees. फिर आप क्या करते? मैंने उस context में लिया. Suppose आपके trial balance में interest on loan is given 10,000 rupees. Then how you are going to give the effect for this?
To subtract from the given amount.
Absolutely rubbish answer. If the loan interest is due, we can subtract. Outstanding need to be subtracted.
Added.
Then how you can say that subtracted? See, that's why yesterday I have taken session, I made you realize that even in capital and revenue expenditure, you need to put lot of effort. ऐसे नहीं समझ में आएगा. You need to literally practice. And that's why I'm giving you lot of chance to understand this. This kind of adjustment will be there forever and ever in your life. क्योंकि बहुत सारे फाइनल अकाउंट अभी आपको देखने हैं. बेसिक सेम ही रहेगा. तो सपोज ट्रायल बैलेंस में आया, अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम लोग को लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आता है. यहाँ पे 10,000 ट्रायल बैलेंस में इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन आया था. व्हाट इट इम्प्लाइज? ट्रायल बैलेंस में कैसे आया रहेगा? कैसे आया रहेगा?
Entry is already recorded.
So entry already recorded means what? We must have paid.
Excluding the 2 months outstanding.
Excluding the 2 months is absolutely right answer. कि हमने जो पे किया रहेगा सर वो दिख रहा है, उसी का हमने जर्नल बनाया रहेगा, उसी जर्नल से हमने लेजर में उसको डाला रहेगा. सेम लेजर का मेरे को बैलेंस ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिख रहा है. So that has been already recorded 10,000. So that 10,000 is for how many months?
10 months.
So what will be the amount for 2 months?
2,000.
This is how they may ask question also. Okay, so try to gaze up your standard now. वो FIJC का एडजस्टमेंट खाली क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रीपेड से जिंदगी नहीं चलने वाला है. Is this clear?
So I had one more doubt
Please.
on page 150.
अच्छा रुक, तो आगे पीछे भगा देती फिर मेरे को गड़बड़ होता है. ये सारा तुमको आंसर आना चाहिए कहती. Yes, tell me.
2,000 transferred to reserve fund out of profits, if any.
Yeah.
So that will be a part of capital, right? Just turn it from net profit to capital.
Yes, from the P&L we are going to take it as a reserve kind of sinking fund. So it will be debited from P&L, and it will be reflected on liability side of balance sheet. कहीं भी रिजर्व फंड नहीं है ना, तो अपन क्रिएट करेंगे एक रिजर्व फंड, अलग से आएगा. It's not your net profit. It's beyond net profit. There will be another item on the liability side of your balance sheet, and which will be reflected as reserve fund. Okay. Whatever is left is your profit. After transferring this 2,000, whatever the amount will be left will be your profit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where we were, on which page number?
143.
43, na? Interest wala. Okay, now. This, so that's why at the beginning only I told you, this adjustment will be there almost in all. ये देखो, मैं जो अभी बोल रहा था, interest on loan paid and interest on loan due. Are you getting, dear student?
Yes, sir.
आया ना वैसा ही adjustment. This we have already discussed. 1/4 वाला we have already discussed. See, RFDC का मैंने फॉर्मूला at the beginning only आपको बता दिया. Almost in last all question RFDC आया है. Debtors पे भी होता है, creditors पे भी होता है. I think this you can do with your own. You need not require my assistance. Yes or no? This kind of adjustment also we have seen. Ayana,
Yes, sir.
will it be known as adjustment or information?
Information.
Information. आपको segregate करना है ना? अलग अलग चार्ज करना. In P&L, manufacturing, so on and so forth. Same logic will come here also. 148. Can you tell me what will be the answer?
Outstanding salary
For
1 month.
how
for
much?
one.
How much?
1 month
500.
only.
How much?
500.
जल्दी से
500 sir.
समझा अभी?
55 sir.
समझा तुम लोग को? That's why I'm just making your fundas clear so that you can do the homework properly. Invocation. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this?
Accrued income.
Outstanding income. What will be the effect?
Add to commission earned and asset side outstanding commission.
See, there is a difference in trial balance also. What it implies? तो इसमें पहले आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा, इसमें डेबिट क्रेडिट नहीं दिया ना, दिया है क्या?
No,
देखो,
sir.
No.
तो पहले आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाना पड़ेगा। प्लीज क्वेश्चन के आंसर में दिया हुआ है डिफरेंस। So if there is a difference in trial balance, what will be the effect?
Suspense account.
Where we'll need to transfer that? Where it will come?
Balance sheet.
Yes. Which side?
Asset.
Absolutely right.
Asset side.
Why asset?
Because it says debit in the.
Very good. So likewise, there will be few more adjustments which we are going to take it up. So kindly rejoin, all of you. So all of you please rejoin with the same login ID and password.
Okay, sir.